Hey guys, today is Friday. I came to visit my friend. Yeah. One of my friends. There she comes. Look at her, there she comes. The girl who likes nagging a lot. Who forced you? Huh? Who forced you? Say hi to me. Hi! Okay guys, I'm going now. I'm going to have a conversation with my friend and I'm going to return back to you all. Bring the gift because I'm not sure. Oh my God, madam!
Nania, na menya day. Nania no, tika mama for ana.
You say who know about time though?
Me kun. Sister oba no pa. Na be me buy one more say.
Say.
Sister me hwe be me no original ho abeka se bibia 12 te sama koma correct ya ne sa.
Oba e wo se me ha ne say didn't no koda abontin.
Sister. Be me buy me de ma ade tena ha. Ye di nkomo me don kaka me yenti a oba fie no be shi ha no robes. Sister. Ben kata chie te kam ni apoma tuo ya je nkofo ho ne ma na osim na obom pa ye wade ma menko humedofo ma menko humedofo ma ewu ansa na mawu na be ma yiti ne suo wo kai
omo twito na agina yin
sister ba me ne kata se oba wa mo awose kura gu no
ewura aya na we fi me ma na man no it me destroy life enti uju ukunu di ukuna koda abontin aba no pa abeka de shallow issue at you say we share robbers Awurama act fast cause an robber case bia ye de betu social media I was here hefa na mu share na mo attacking na ye poma to share ne so so ugina ho awaje atum na mikunu na de nde area
menia mesero mikunu ye obi a ompene ho asem wadro me yo want to obeti ahanyame ni so beta mentra na asede ye
that the lumba born nyum odom me
odo me
enso mu chiti be ma bitimi akogina pulpit so asu for better for worse obesu obeyi ne hanky right no mudu if you say and a business trip be and I'm going for a gabe seminar and I want say my worry we wie and oba he
onka bi da onye so da
men will show you shege
me be ma me ne ti o Debbie na wani abre won a woka ana men will show you shege mafia we opekura na wontwa meeting we still na amese ko ente sa wo edi ente na pese so wa
me wodo but me pay low budget wedding bia because be ma de university wa de ho and aso oba de ho car we take care of
nice how try me de na me de low pa
it's your choice. When I choose to so be wedding na money they miss me wedding them first class wedding with designers one time me kra na legit ntimi ma and I make commentary na me kwa kototo ne kra ne just me je visa and I say me kra ne wali baba express mo de bre me
chale shaye wedding wo de just say that pa ho no ntimi nhye bie mu no
chale opportunity comes at once e bia me wari wie ya ne mabubu agu me de hu
na esa wo de adwemboni hye wuti mu say o wari nne na wo betimi yawu nti no wo bo be ma ne nkwase yaka
debi emema bewi asibu ma kwasia edi nti na na de wo ho me fa ma samo nkwa nti na ho ba memu abọ me ho ka pa memu invest wo body we ho where de na me pese me ye no ohun where de na me pese me ye no despite mo de ne ma me be set record obi aso ntimi break record
yes I want to the whole world obi be say shella wedding let so
abi you know that
girl we just serious was akeka ye with the too much
o don't want no wa wari na bibia no afre me na de
na why na me ko so nchira no ashela ye ka ye na wari
ma wari ni
akesesem no akesesem ye doso
kunu die ne ye ka ukuna akoda ba bia ba kasa anu be
sa cho wan koda na ma na wan koda
for one play for God's sake my days come and change me only you feel
what is wrong with you, Castro? What is chewing you up? Wait till I bam in China, one country in Germany. When I mean Castle, like I don't get it.
Kevin, Sheila. Man, this guy is giving me tough time in the house nowadays, boy. I can't take it anymore. What?
Sheila.
Yeah, Sheila, my girlfriend. Can you imagine say gay receiving 200,000 cities for a wedding?
What?
200,000.
Now tell me you didn't. Like seriously?
Man, Kevin, I'm not lying. Seriously, I'm just serious about this.
200,000 for a wedding. Very funny enough. Maybe Castro, what would you know? Minimum pass a 200,000 now can come from wouldn't be. Wouldn't be the whole. Of course you know that. Bro, do you know something? You need to relax. Relax it. Said man from Kosheni maybe more who say after I don't know when you're okay. Na sebi company so be company aye we odi yempo we empo dey be na sebi odi be dey we born data like odi be the way that is very bad. It is very bad. Now
See, I just said, she said, near my beer, just said, you see, me baby cry, just say, what she said, like going out right now, or tell me, say, I don't know when exactly this guy is coming back home. What am I your argument to feel back and forth because of this money? You say, you're
quarreling with you.
Yes. You say, maybe we're Pierre, just a minute, baby, I walk up name. So, I don't even know exact time that this guy coming home. Really, this guy, man. See, I don't know, Kevin. Right now, I don't know. See,
can we hear something? This on the time one. Ubaba catch him say, you really love this girl, so you can't let her go. Kevin, me the mama need you on hopa. The minute you tell on pass the baby so sigu so the baby when yaje. So what you say? Na so do ti kwaship bi musa na say like adia on so ya pesa wo ye no. Bro, me hu say ntwa yi. Relax for yourself, bro. Won't me ntwa ya wonko. Huh? Ubie kwa Isaiah 60:22 I will say when the time is right and the Lord will make it happen. You understand? So relax for yourself. Huh?
yeah, man, Mr. Gary, like, you don't understand, man. You
Nah,
won't understand.
wait. Call na koda you okay. Go and think of it. Let me escort you. Okay, bro. I think that's the best solution, the best option for you to take.
I love this girl so much, Kevin.
Forget about the love, bro. Love won't be obeying himself love the other. Oh, what you say? But I mean, yeah.
Myself when I'm with you, nobody gets me.
Brother, me about family something to say.
Now, when you're saying, Kaoma, one of make us out of them, they also do have one. They said they're echo.
If I didn't hear
Hey, no, what do you mean?
oh, I'm still on. Send them a catch us and low budget. Our Arabian and our and the circle Ghana weddings. The most internet man, I'm a dapper. I'm a ring. The major golden diamond, not as it. So, my warrior, you can say a crabish.
Papa say, you're crabish.
Oh, yeah.
As a caniba. Your casa, I worry. What you say?
Oh, really say when you invite a man for why any big, what first of all, my bishop, so maybe the massa, what for hate. I got my baby and then.
Who is Rasa?
Now,
and then I worry. A warrior, let's say one a bear man in you, no bedroom, you know. The wolf fear honor, the echo see. I feel I'm more starting my brother and any worry. Auntie, a day, and I wonder why dream feed the uncle for back castle. Now, one year, dear, wow, pay. Say, who to out away? Me no me say, Capreba. Who, quack, she knew what
we can make it happen.
Media also, and now we are work system. Apart from media also, can I pray? Why, but Showunchi, why Showunchi?
Yeah, fine.
Oh, I say, I'm not quite yet, no one will be a brandy. On to me.
I will think about it. You to me for
you will think about what?
Yeah, the only make because your decision and me fun 100%. Yeah, I have to think about it.
Me can answer so much who or Jonathan.
It's necessary for you, not me. But what catch me? I miss me the minions at Becca home. What I say, I will assess it. Me who say me found then and I say I will still follow my
Sheila. Morning a hole. When him say my own. Emma, and Nana you put your son. You who big. By the time I who say, yen yo biano, nurse of him such a wanted.
Tima,
you come to know.
Tima. The man no matter why the time was over cock dropping me.
So I say, that's a you. Huh? And you buy any didn't come away.
Oh, Awurama, I remember who fear Hano make my for some children. What can so much and this is my opportunity? Ah, what is that? Oh, time cool. kosi nya ka chem na menye bolt na menko.
Chere. Ya kanu apoma na no. Sa akonya echese bi ade apoma akona. Ye nya wo life
ne be ware kra wa bisa me na seda. Me ba na ifro na ifro. Un bisa me say na wo boy ne kro free ya na say.
Woni be pese me ye. Me pese nya me ya adom. Na wo tete wo ne ma so ba fom. Na ye fori dru ha. Me kunu ho ne da. Me kunu da. Me so ne nsa ye me yenu ni aba. Ye dru ho no ma. De na efese na mfo ye na obi ane ne kunu no wo de ye. Ni ye tuska wo so say on penza ho.
Me penisa ba o de wa kan dem.
Onfa.
Me kasa me mfa o. E kasa too much again. Who ka kosi ya na say me.
Na ye say na wo ba ye kasa na wo ko.
What can some match me see me kwa kodwene hu ye njina kan ni ntiti.
Ye nyina kan ni ntiti kan. Na nya wona kodwene ye ka wo no.
So ko asa wari am be wari say na wona wari bi.
Mo wari an kan me pe. Be say na wari mo ni je ni bi.
But say me
go to me a feel and sit here.
Me go to ba me dem person me have pray. Are you going to drop me or should I rather?
I no yeah Google and I said
There is something about your body where they hide me like I don't smoke Colorado, like I don't smoke Colorado, yeah.
I don't know why you move this house and I'm not it yourself. And then the end of course, I know the house and the casaba one way when I say, yeah, now do we near mommy be and
baby, it seems that you don't care about me. Because Sikaya may be sorry. You told me say enche all this can be mommy. But as I'm sure when you wondering say all this can be mommy. And then you know say many baby I make wako biso biska. Wa bibi any awana me bisa. And I need the money. If Pesikane de ayadi. But so say, oh they nya but tell me the bema. As anytime be back raise this out topic now baby, you tell me, baby, I also need the money.
Vera. Obekaya last month na me no na me wa haya so they say. And now mo to me bill say 200 bag of cement.
Akuntanio ko hey boga one na ay Mr. Bofa bag kuntabiama and what the shop to amu
Me disikani nyina egu lolly cash account no so.
oh ye jude
Me be spread mo mamu suro. Me be anya afa na me ha me $100 bebre egu me bag mu na yakobisa me sesika me de koye den ma load ni nyina egu me lolly cash account ni mu.
That's right.
Enti se me ba be di dwuma bia wo hanoma me tua free mu straight.
Hey baby a lolly cash app nedru no na chere say wo dollars no egu wallet mu enso wo twade wa Ghana harmu a ense se besidis
sa pepepe ti se me kwa brochira me sika ni nyina no me load gu me lolly cash account no so abrochira baby a me wo bia no ade bia me pe bia me timi to na app no a convert sika no akọ country ni sika no so na me de di me dwuma
Inti America, Canada, and Europe countries na lolly cash app no so no. Sa
app na ngasa be convert akọ say American dollar, say Canadian dollar, say India for sika e bia app no convert mami. Enti transaction is simple kra.
lolly cash app no eye guy pa account na edisika no etemu sa no entetew
Debi lolly cash account there ye ntew say de ebi no ye no ulo di atwumu a bibia ni mu no ne ati bibi kakra mi be wie no ma send bia ba momu na me de akontanso bia akọ na account mu ama no.
Thank you. Account hon ma inkin ko ho enti obia and download the lolly cash app no e wo Google ana Apple Store na mo start and send sika and mama busu afọ no munafo no e wa mono ne ba bia lolly cash
24/7 send sika.
Me kwa kotwe ka chim se wo na di bibi ese me de ma scarce me di invest wo me dan me invest wo nya to bosse me invest misika no onyomo bi mo na eye mature. I promise you say eye den I will let you get the money so that's it.
Roxy, what do you take me for? Maybe some more. What do you take me for?
Just calm down, my patron. Calm down.
What's the hand of Casa? I will see Kauneska and all the Akako invest. Okay, to me, they only invest in me more and your own. Maybe they may get the type of invest in more. And yes, I will invest in me more. Oh, there's some officer who catch me. Okay, I'm hearing you talk.
If you ever, Miss
No, Sika Kaka would demand Sika me be sour. No, how many a ye name? Ah,
Pacho.
and so I say, oh, him say me will be a business car on one mind. Say, come me baby business say my business. You know, say I'm not cheating on you.
Yes.
You know that. It's now. So no, baby, mami kasa. Asha me so ache. Let me talk, please. In chama no so. Let me talk. Ah.
Debbie, me Pacho Debbie, entisa. But me try to explain certain things to you. That's what I said.
Tabio, sika kakra bia me bisa awunti no. O babe, o ko fa investment. To say, eno ne hia.
No.
Ah, sika no say na de be mama be affect you. Wajuma also wo kwa invest wo mo. Me so me date me new be me bia, me ka say wo support me. One am de mani ato also.
I didn't be on my Thomas, so I say, we and ye and play one as
Roxanne, you on free Mr.
What a patch team.
Please,
What did team
Messi, you on saf me patrol.
What a nephew.
I don't want to see your face.
What a bomb
Just
back up, no, I promise you, so don't bomb cocoa, the idea and the
Roxanne, Messi Jammy mo. I don't want to see your face. Me besa me that Jammy mo. Leave me.
Don't do this. I miss you. I miss you. Oh, Vera. Here. I didn't able to call you, Mister.
I'm still on a preparation, trust me. Everything will be on point, of course. I just can't wait. I can just imagine the day that I'll fix extraordinary makeup with my wedding gown, my bridesmaid, the paid bride, the flowers. I just can't wait. I'm still on. Girlfriend, I'm still on. Yes. You know the kind of wedding I want to have. So I'm just taking my time to do everything on point. I mean, doing everything accordingly. Yes. You know, that day will be very extraordinary for me. I can't wait to put on my gown, the ring, the bridal, the page boy, the flower girls. I just can't wait. I don't know that. Listen to me. If you don't put on good stuff, they will bounce you. Yes. I'm taking like 4. Yes. I was thinking say maybe bachelor's night, but it's not part of the plan, but I'm thinking. Yeah. Okay, I'll talk to you later, okay? Welcome. Why is this movie face?
Mohani is friend. Any public threat. Call the boss's office. But come see you coffee.
Coffee. Sassin.
I've been fired.
Castro, what about the wedding?
What?
Yeah, the wedding.
Sheila, do you even think at all?
But see, any panty definitely imagine. I'm just asking about the wedding.
Wait. Do you even think? I've been fired from work. You saw somebody can't send me a bit more consoling me. You are there telling me about wedding. Like seriously?
It's not I don't show any sign of concern, but you know wedding need be a kaka credi now on say any almost go ne kwem. So I need to ask because I send him go say never be coming. You being fired ne wedding na baba be share ne there. It's not say.
Listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself.
But say me kwem na make I'm not.
Yeah, palm me for Joe as he said me at the moment. You are there talking about the wedding.
Because I need to ask because I know it's important.
Listen,
right?
You're not serious.
It's not serious.
You are not serious.
You have a conversation.
No,
You are walking out. Listen.
You're not serious.
Tonight, oh, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you put a roll. I was
Castro, I want to talk to you.
About what?
About what happened a few minutes ago. I'm sorry.
See, like, what's shocking me? How come?
Babe, it's not my fault. Maybe I was being childish that moment. Etienne said the pressure is not from my side if you remember, because anytime that I go to them, they be asking me when are you getting married, when I visit the date. And to be catching me say you were dear for you more and I am she maintain mommy acted that way. I'm so sorry.
Like, I'm really sorry, some because I'm going to
Please. Will I forgive you?
All right.
You know there's a one I'm in the coins and you want to know base.
You do know how much I love you, right?
Me don't know bros. Until I'm the person worry me tell me BPR.
So if certain things like this happen, and it happen, you know.
I said I'm sorry. Do you have to go back? I said I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Don't fake your smile.
It's fine. I'm fine. Okay.
Okay, my paper.
What?
Send me no nyasem your patch or you give me a peg. That means I won't find me.
It's okay.
Thank you. Wrong, some wine. I'm setting up the table.
All right.